my channel Geographer at PU. This is the second part of the previous video on NASA International Space Apps Challenge. In this video, we will discuss how we can join a team or how we can create a team. So for this, we should know that we are not allowed to solely or in a pair participate in any challenge. It is necessary to have a team of 6 members, not more than 6 or not less than that. So what you need to do, just click on explore the hackathon and click on a find a team. When you open this, when you click on that, you are welcome to find a team properly. For example, if I want to find a team, my challenge, I like the challenge of community mapping. So I'll write it in a search bar, and everyone who make or who created already a team for community mapping appeared here, just like that. The butterfly space rescue community mapping, and there are more community cartographer from Abu Dhabi. These are from United States, and here these are from Malaysia, these are from Turkey. So whatever you like, any team you want to join, what you need to do, because they are seeking members, they are incomplete teams, so that's why they are seeking you. For joining the team, just click on seeking a member and then click on request to join a team. When you request, then what you need to do is to fill this summary. Please provide a brief summary about you, your skill, and why you would like to join the team. So you have to fill this within 500 characters, with like 2 to 3 lines or 3 to 4 lines. In this you can explain why you want to join their team. So after this, send a request and they will accept you or reject you. So this is the way to join any team that you would like in a particular challenge or a challenge of your own interest. And in case you already have your own team, then what you need to do, then you don't need to explore, or you do not need to send a request to any team. What you need to do is to just click on create a team. Within this, you need to create your own team. How you need to create your own team is you need to write your team name. For example, geospatial enthusiast, or any name, whatever you want to write. So it should be your team name, which challenge you like to participate, or which challenge you want to complete. For example, I like the community mapping, so I will select community mapping. And then a team photo is very much necessary. For example, if you already have your team, which should be of the 6 members, you need to take the picture of them. For example, one person is living in one city and the other one is in another city. Then the idea is you can create a collage of the picture and then upload it. But one photo should be uploaded if you want to create your own team. And then, for example, if your team consists of 4 to 5 members and 1 to 2 members or some or few members are not in your team and you are seeking them, so for this you need to add desired skill, so that if someone like me who do not have a complete team and I am seeking your teams, or I am seeking to join your team, then what you need to do is to add the skill, so that whenever I or someone came to join your team, then I will join according to the skills. So for example, in this community mapping, I feel like Earth is necessary, space exploration is necessary, data analysis, earth sciences, data visualization, open science, and I think these things are necessary, software and web development. So you need to choose these, and then language spoken. For example, if you are from Turkey and your language is Turkish, then you can, and you're seeking other members from Turkish languages, then you can click on that. But the English is most common one. You can select multiple languages. I can select English and Turkey. Accepting team members, and then click on that, so that whenever someone want to join your team, then they will easily send you a request. So at the end, what you need to do is to add a description. You need to write about your team, your target, your project, and your ideas. So here you need to add whatever you want to. So add a description in it, and then a team contact information. It is required to provide your preferred contact method for a team member to get in contact with you, either by the email, by the chat platform, or by the social media. There's a note: only team members will be able to view this information. So after filling this information, click on that and then create a team, and immediately your team will be created. If it is already completed, then nobody can join you, and if it's not completed and you are seeking still sub persons, then it will be displayed same as like when we are clicking on find a team, then your team will be showed in this type of the area. So anyone like anyone from any place who want to join your team and your project and your idea, and directly join by sending you a request. So this is a way to create your own team. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.